Birds of Prey and the fabulous
In the fantabulous emancipation of one Harley Quinn.
Ayoko na nga. Huwag na. So guys, here she is. She is Huntress from the Birds of Prey. So let's look at the box first. So this is the collection of, I don't know how many are there. I don't know. So yeah, here are all the figurines that you are going
Total of 7.
So yeah,
That's Huntress.
the top.
Where did you get that? Toys R Us.
Toys R Us.
Galleria.
Galleria. Yeah,
How much?
200.
Wow.
It was for like offset.
Ay,
The normal price was like, I don't know how much.
$6.75.
So yeah, here she. Oh, it's like a vinyl figure. Yeah, she's a vinyl. Wow, that's shiny. There's a shiny back.
Ooh, nice.
Here's a womp womp.
Meron siyang parang backdrop.
It's like shiny, like it's very shiny. I don't know where yeah, that's what makes her shiny. But we don't need that, so.
No, you can use it.
For what? So let's open her up. She comes with a stand,
Nice.
a tiny stand, very tiny, but actually pretty strong stand. Oh my god, it's like so tight. Okay, we got it. Okay, so here she is. Wow,
Careful with the figure. The crossbow might break.
nagged it. Very nice. And she can stand. Wow, miraculously she can stand.
Miraculous ladybug.
Oh, cat no war. Okay, cat no war. Cat no war.
First on the stand.
So we're gonna put her on the stand.
No articulation, just the head.
Nah, she can't move.
No.
So like, I think she's like a statue there. So she goes here. Okay, we got her. Ta-da!
Very nice.
So that's it for now. So see you next time, guys. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit a like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Bye bye.